Welcome to White Heron Apothecary. Today we are going to be making the penicillin soup. And it has celery, carrots, shallot, onions, garlic, chicken broth. I'm going to use the bow tie pasta. You can not use chicken broth or chicken and make it a vegan, but we'll get into that later. Let me wash all this stuff up and chop it for you, okay? I like to use shallots because regular onions give me a lot of heartburn, and I don't seem to get that with these. Purple onions are nice too, but you can use whichever onion you prefer. Okay, so now we are going to, now I've got everything chopped up. I've got just a little bit of ginger. I've got 1 elephant size head of garlic, so probably 4 or 5 regular size garlic. I've got 3 stalks of celery. I've got the 3 shallots, but they were the big ones. I've got 1 chicken breast, and I've got 1 large carrot. We've got our bow tie over here. It's finally, got our bow tie pasta over here. The rest of our goodies. Now I'm going to soften up these, the onion, the carrot, and the celery, garlic. I'm going to put it all in my little frying pan and kind of saute it up, or soften it up, I mean. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil, just so it doesn't stick, and I'll probably put a little water in here too. A little salt and pepper. Get a little water. Then we'll take a pot. If you want your soup to be vegan, just use water. If you want it to be a little more creamy, you can add some heavy whipping cream at the end. But I'm just doing chicken broth, because my penicillin soup is a lot like a chicken noodle soup, but it's better than the kind you buy, from the store. Anything you make is usually better than what you can buy from the store. Right now I'm just trying to get my veggies to soften up. And I'm going to use 2 of these chicken broths because I'm making a big batch, and I'm probably going to have to add some water too. And I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken in there. I don't like a whole lot of chicken though in my chicken soup. Isn't that crazy? See what we got going on here. A little more salt and pepper. I'm using the pink Himalayan salt. It's a lot stronger than the regular salt, so I don't need a whole lot of that. I'm going to let this reduce down a little bit. So drop me a comment. Let me know where you guys are from. Where are you watching from? Have you ever made penicillin soup before, or have you ever even heard of it? What are some other videos y'all might want to see me create? I'm definitely interested in knowing. Now, you don't have to add all your pasta in. I'm going to add as much of it in as I can because I like the pasta. It's smelling good. Now, you can Google penicillin soup online, and you'll come up with a lot of different recipes. Just really finding one you like. I've also seen where they take this and put it on and make it puree it. And I want some chunks in my soup, you know, besides just the bow tie. And a lot of times you can use other pasta. Was it pastini or pastina? Is like a rice pasta. A lot of times the soup is made with that particular type of pasta. But I like the bow tie, you know. I wanted it more like a little country soup. Alright, so that's probably pretty good. I'm going to add this right in here. Now I'm going to let this cook for about 10-15 more minutes to let all of the elements get combined a little better. But after that, soup's on. Definitely serve it warm. But there you go, folks. That's your penicillin soup. So if you try this recipe out, let me know what you think about it. Come back and drop me a comment. Love to hear from you guys. Remember, if there's anything you want me to create, let me know, and I'll do my best to create it for you. Everybody stay safe. And happy holidays.